Hi, I'm Johnny with onlinelabels.com, and today I'm excited to show you our brand new line of pre-printed labels and stickers. These stickers are professionally designed and are perfect for adding a thoughtful touch to your party favors, decorations, and more. They arrive to you on sheets ready to stick. This line features labels and stickers in an array of designs, perfect for birthday parties, weddings, holidays, baby showers, and more. In addition to those event labels, we also have name tag stickers and shipping stickers. Some of my favorite of these new designs are our small circular stickers that are great for smaller candies and water bottle caps. These are great fillers for gift bags and table settings as party favors. Printed bottle labels are another great addition for you to have at your next event. Our wine, water, and champagne bottle labels are great for matching your current party theme or thanking your guests as a gift. All of our pre-printed labels and stickers come printed on weatherproof materials, so you don't have to worry about ink bleeding or deterioration. We also carry an assortment of general party favors that are great for sprucing up your event. These can be added to candies, mason jars, candles, and anything else you may think of. This is just a sample of all the designs, shapes, and sizes we offer. You can check them all out in a link in the description below. For more labeling solutions, including blank and custom labels, check us out at onlinelabels.com.